In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new client to your Fresha dashboard. This straightforward process allows you to manage client details efficiently, helping maintain a seamless operation in your business. Whether you're new to Fresha or just looking to refine your current workflow, stay tuned for these simple steps that will have you adding client information like a pro. Let's get started with accessing your Fresha dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a selection of options on the left-hand side. Here, you're going to look for the Clients section. It's signified by a friendly smiley icon, designed to help you easily recognize it among the other features. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the Clients area, where you can manage all things client-related. As you navigate to the Clients section, the next move is to focus on the Client list. This is also located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Selecting Client List will display all your current clients in an organized list format, allowing you to view and manage existing client information efficiently. Now, it's time to add a new client to your list. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a prominent black Add button. This button is your gateway to entering new client data. Clicking it will open up a form where you can input the necessary details for your new client. Let's go through the process of entering the client information. In this section, you're required to fill out important fields such as the client's name, email, and phone number. These details are crucial for identification and communication purposes. Additionally, you'll be asked to enter other personal information like the client's birthday and gender, which can be essential for providing personalized service. Although it's important to respect privacy and opt for collecting only the necessary details for your business needs. Fresha also offers additional fields such as preferred language and other demographic information. These can be helpful if you're dealing with a diverse clientele, tailoring your services to meet their individual expectations. Once you've carefully filled in all the relevant fields, it's time to make sure none of the inputs are overlooked or incorrectly entered. Double-check that all client information is accurate to ensure effective communication. When you're confident everything is correct, head to the top of the form and click the Save button. This will securely store the client information in your Fresha system, allowing you easy access whenever needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a new client to your Fresha dashboard. This process ensures that managing your client database remains efficient and organized, enhancing your ability to provide stellar service. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more great tips on using Fresha effectively.